Hey, hello there you guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video we're going to be comparing the cheap third-party Xbox One controller to the newer generation Xbox Series controller. So first talking about the cheap controller, it's from a company named PDP and it costs around Rs 3000 in India. I will provide the best buy link in the description box as always. And now talking about the Xbox Series controller, it costs around Rs 6000 in India. Let's jump into the unboxing and the in-depth review of both the controllers. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. In the box of the PDP controller, you get a micro USB to USB-A cable and the controller itself. Talking about the controller itself, the color of the controller is midnight blue. This controller is built up of very cheap plastic material. As this is a wired controller, it supports micro USB only and it has a 3.5mm headset jack. Now talking about the bumpers of the controller, they are more clickier and the triggers, they have a shorter range of motion as compared to the Xbox Series controller. There's not much difference in the buttons of both the controllers. The analog sticks of this controller are not of that good quality and they develop stick drift in few months of use. So the box of the Xbox Series controller includes a Xbox Game Pass trial for 14 days, some user manuals and the controller itself. The color of the controller is basic white. It supports USB Type-C and it has a 3.5mm headset jack as well. As this is a wireless controller, there are two AA batteries included in the box, and the texture of this controller feels sturdy in the hand. Now, talking about the D-pad of the controller, it is similar to that of the Xbox Elite controller. So, the bumpers and the triggers have a rough texture which enhances the grip. The analog sticks of this controller are much better than the PDB controller. So, both the controllers are good at their price ranges. I would recommend you to buy the Xbox Series controller. So, that was all about both the controllers. Meet you in the next video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video. Till then, goodbye.